everybody. I'm Cheryl Hamilton, and today I have just a cute craft fair project for you. I made this little ornament with the Trucking Along truck that's from our online exclusives, and I just thought it was super cute for an ornament. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how to put this together. So to make this little truck ornament, I've laid all of my supplies out on my desk here. The first thing you need are these natural wood slices ornaments. So I got them on Amazon, and they're all a little bit different sizes, but you'll find them if you just look for like wood slices or something. So they're cute for craft fairs. And let me see, another thing I did is I grabbed all the some retired Christmas paper. So here's a pile of Christmas papers I thought would look really cute with the truck. I had a friend do this one, and that was adorable. But I think I'm gonna go for this one here. Oh, it's the gingerbread paper. Was that maybe 2 years ago? So, you know, I usually get rid of all my papers, but once in a while, well, I have so much leftover designer series paper, I shouldn't say that. Anyway, the first thing I'm going to do is cut a circle out from this, and this is a circle from Stylish Shapes. And before I come back, I'm going to cut out a white circle and then use this one, which is from Basic Borders, and just cut off a little bit of snow for the slope. You know what I should have done for this other, where are you? Oh, here it is. I mean, I still might do another one with this because it's kind of a Hawaiian ornament, is cut out, instead of this white piece, cut out some sandpaper for sand. Wouldn't that be cute? So I think I should have done that for this, but I'm going to make a card for the snow, and I'll be right back. Now, I felt like it needed something across the top, and so luckily I still had this from last year, Trees for Sale, so I'm going to make a string of lights there. And I'll do this before I glue it down, just in case it doesn't come out well. So I've kind of positioned things because there. Oops. Okay, that's good. And then a little bit more, coming more straight across like that. You can always draw yours and then just fill in the little lights. Do that part. Okay, now I'm gonna glue my snow on. And before I glue it on here, I want to poke a hole, and I'm going to use my Take Your Pick tool, and I centered it. I'm going to turn it over. What's it doing? Okay. Guess I need this foam pad thing there. So now I poked a hole. I know where I want to use a hole punch, and it's really close to the top, but it's just so I can get string through here. I think I want a bigger one. Well, we'll see. Oh no, that's pretty good. So if I glue this on here, yeah, that'll look good. Okay, now for the truck. Okay, I'm gonna stamp the truck outline using Memento ink. I'm gonna put one of these foam things under it. Paper piercing mat. I need to get the names of these. Okay, so that's first. And then I want to fill it in with the real red. Now would be the time to pull out your Stamparatus. But I'm just gonna see if I can do this. I think it'll be close anyway. Ooh, that's pretty good. Okay, and this is the hardest one. It has this thing for wheels. And I'm just going to show you how to do it. And again, the Stamparatus would be better, but I'm just pretty sure of myself today for some reason. We'll see. We'll see how long that lasts. So I'm doing it in black, and the trick is to look at the two circles in the middle of the wheels. Probably to look at the tires too. Okay, and then just commit. Well, not quite, but it's pretty good. If you get off a little bit, I think it's probably easier if you just use your black marker. And so I'm going to do that to fill it in. I don't know what to do about these. I think I'll just leave them. Okay, truck punch. It's called a trucking along punch. Okay, so I'm gonna I'm popping it up. I actually used a little Wink of Stella on it because that was fun. Let me first so I'm going to use some, this is Smoky Slate marker. And then I was going to use some Wink of Stella just on the truck, on the red part. And popping it up with dimensionals. Okay, and I need something in the back. For this one, I was going to try to use the regular Christmas tree. And the color in this is not garden green, it's old olive. So let me pull that out. I'm going to stamp a Christmas tree in Mossy Meadow. And then I'm going to do the green that's filled in old olive, because I think that's what's in my paper here. Okay, that looks good. And then I have to fussy cut it out with my scissors. But these are pretty easy. This won't, This is a quick one. Okay, and I'm just going to put another dimensional and get it right where I want it. Okay, that's cute. What else? It came with this string, so I'll put that in the top. And before I do that, I'm going to use these pearlized enamel effects that come in red, white, and black. I might do a red also if I could find it. Nope, oh, here it is. Let's see how it does. This is fun because I haven't done this one either. Now, you don't want to shake these. You don't want bubbles in them. But I'm just getting the paint down towards the tip. Okay, and I'm just going to do a little squeeze. It's probably smart. I can't talk and do this, you guys. Oh, man. Okay, I was going to say it's probably smart if you practice first on a little paper towel or something, but I didn't. Now, how am I going to get that one underneath? I think I'm going to kind of ignore it, but nope. Okay, so I don't know if you could see those. They're really pretty, and they're iridescent, you know, so they're really nice. And you have to make yourself not even touch it for like an hour because they'll, you know, it'll wreck those, and it's real pretty. So you could put the date down here or on the back. And again, I'm going to add some string, and no, I really like this one, except I think I need to do this over in sand. What do you guys think? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and it's a fun craft fair item or something to make for your team members or something. And yeah, I love this tree bundle. That's so cute. The punch and the stamp set called Trucking Along. Okay, thanks a lot for watching, everyone. Aloha.